This is the area of the fire pit where last night Sinead was frightened by something. More than frightened, she was just scared out of her wits by something. See how she's, see the lead? It's tied up to this tree right here. And last night she walked over here to the little grass area, relieved herself, and she quickly ran back to me as far as she could reach. This cable was, there was no slack in it at all. She was stretching it as far as she could get, trying to get away from this hillside. You see, this goes way down. So I took her off the lead and I put her in the pickup truck so that she could relax and feel safe. And Amy and I stayed outside by the fire pit, and for a few hours. And then I think I went to bed around 12:30 or something, and then Amy went to bed about 2:30. The wind kicked up pretty bad during the night, but didn't hear anything coming through our camp. There's a lot of walnut trees here, and it's all you could hear was walnuts falling down in the wind and branches breaking from the wind. And then right here, Amy and I found a patch of hair. It looks humanoid. It's a ball of hair, brownish. Amy picked it up with tweezers and put it in a bag, and she'll send it to someone to have it tested. Could be human. Who knows? We'll find out. Okay. Just wanted to fill you in on what happened last night. And you can see how deep this valley goes down there. And the lake is off to the right. Can't see it through the trees and the leaves. It's too thick. Just wanted to give you a little perspective. That's my tent. You can kind of see the lake through there. See? All right, this is Mary Fabian from Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. Please subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications of new videos. But right now we are in Salt Fork State Park in Ohio, Lore City, Cadiz, Cambridge area, Ohio. God bless you. Talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'll be putting out more videos, but cold weather's coming, and this is just about my probably last camping trip of the year. All right, God bless.